What's good with it? It's your kinfolk Dookie, and I wanted to quickly show you this vintage looking Bluetooth speaker from Tewell. For $40 you get a retro style that resembles the old Marshall speakers. Across the front you get a bit of branding on this old school speaker grill encased in a leatherish material that looks and feels great. On the top you get a satisfying to click power switch, volume knob, standard Bluetooth controls, and an aux in port. Round the back is simply a base radiator port and a place for the power adapter, as even though it's Bluetooth, it's not meant for portability. So, how does it sound?
In this lonely room, when my father plays with science on some harebrained scheme, he lives in a dream that he can't do much for me.
Honestly, it's not the best sounding speaker, as most music is kinda muddy with a lot of emphasis on the low end, but I don't really think you get it for that. This is all about the looks and how it will fit in your setup, maybe next to some vinyl and your retro style headphones. But what do you think? I'm gonna leave a link to check it out in the description, as well as my Bluetooth playlist if you want some better sounding options. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and never forget to holler at your boy.